Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford GT versus Evo. The Ford GT, a true American supercar, is engineered for extreme speed and track dominance. On the other hand, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, often called the Evo, is a rally-bred machine designed for agile handling and all-weather performance. We'll explore what makes each vehicle unique and help you understand their distinct appeals. Let's dive into their core differences. The Ford GT is powered by a potent V6 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower, allowing it to reach incredible speeds very quickly. Its advanced aerodynamics and lightweight construction are optimized for the track. The Evo, however, with its turbocharged four-cylinder engine, offers around 300 horsepower and features an advanced all-wheel drive system, making it exceptionally nimble and responsive, especially on winding roads or in challenging conditions. Visually, the Ford GT is a stunning, low-slung machine, a two-seater built purely for performance with minimal compromise for daily use. Its design screams speed and exclusivity. The Evo, conversely, maintains a more understated, yet aggressive, four-door sedan appearance. It offers seating for 4 or 5, plus a usable trunk, making it a surprisingly practical sports car for everyday driving and even family duties. When considering value, the Ford GT is often seen as a high-end collector's item, with prices reflecting its limited production and supercar status. It's an investment for enthusiasts seeking ultimate performance and exclusivity. The Evo, while no longer produced, offers fantastic performance value on the used market, making it an attainable dream for many. It delivers a thrilling driving experience without the supercar price tag. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.